Okay, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Uh, Watch the whole video, please. That helps the channel out. It actually hurts when you don't watch all of it and you just watch a little bit to give a view. That hurts the analytics. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is a tool haul from a couple different places, from Lowe's and Amazon. We got some Astro, some Lyle, and ezred. Anyway, let me get the camera set up and turn around and I'll show you what I got. Okay, first we have this tool bag. I got this tool bag to go on my truck to throw a little bit of tools in and whatnot, so in case something happens out on the road or whatever, or I need to work on something at somebody's house. Anyway, as you can see, it's got little pouches. Of course, I haven't used it yet, so everything's still all wrinkly from being in the store. This came from Lowe's. It's got little pouches all over it, and it's got a little slot there, and there to put tools in. It's got pouches inside on both sides, plus the big one in the middle, you know, to put stuff. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but made in China, whatever. And it's even got same thing on this side. Well, I don't have a cover over the pouches on this side, but still got 6 pouches on this side, where this side, as you can see, has this to cover. Back to this. Like I said, this, what is that, AWP? Came from Lowe's. I don't remember who it was. Ed, the old tech guy, or somebody was at Lowe's and Home Depot and showing some deals on stuff and was showing these bags. I didn't get it at the $7 or $5 or whatever they was mentioning. At my Lowe's, this was $14, unfortunately, or $12, something like that. But anyway, everybody knows what these are. I'm sure you know anyway. If you don't, you need to get some, because they are awesome. These are to replace the ones that I had. I threw them away because they wasn't any good anymore. They didn't work all that good, so I got some replacements. I got these from Amazon. Anyway, they're Lyle carbide scraper set, the 5/8 and the 1 1/4. Actually, I think I only had the little one, the 5/8 one. I don't think I had both of them. I know it was wore out. Anyway, whatever. Let's see. I was trying to look and see if it says where they're made. I don't see it. Let's go back to this side. I still don't see it. Oh well. Anyway, I'm not going to open the package yet. Y'all can see what it is. I'll open the package up in a minute when I go to put them in my toolbox. Alright. Next thing is some high flow. Trying to get that where you can see it without a glare. I guess it ain't gonna focus. Anyway, they're high flow air fittings is what they are. The V style. Now if you've never had any of these, let me get this open and I'll show you. Hold on. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna open these, but I did, just to show you. Like I said, everybody has seen and used these probably. If you hadn't, you should be, if you need to scrape any gaskets or anything. These are awesome. That's the small one, and this is the large one, the 1 1/4. Just got a little plastic tip on there to cap to protect it. I don't know why, but whatever. Anyway, that's them. Let me set them over to the side. What I was talking about is these things. You see how big that is? That lets a lot of air through. Now, if you're used to using the old standard ones, they're a lot smaller than this. Those work. I used them for a long time. I don't have any right now because a while back I totally switched to these, but I needed some more for those tools right there I bought. So I bought another kit. But in my opinion, if you have those other ones, you need to throw them away and you need to buy these, because these things right here really wake up an air tool. Whoops, about dropped it. They make a big difference in the performance of an air tool. And they say these quick connects will work with those and the old style, the small ones, but I don't know if they will or not, to be honest with you. I hadn't tried them. I don't have any. Anyway, let me get these moved over and I'll show you what I got next. Alright, next I got these ezred magnetic trays. These things are cool too. They're collapsible. They're soft. See how they collapse? That's awesome. That way you can stack them on each other and store them over out of the way. That's cool. I mean, I'm sure everybody has seen these. Different people rebrand them. Matco, Mac. I'm sure a bunch of different other tool companies rebrand them. Heck, even Craftsman. I'll show you them in a minute. Now, these was $27 on Amazon. I don't really know if that's a better deal than what you get on the tool trucks or not. It is what it is. Whatever. I got these because I'm down to only 2 of the old style metal magnetic trays, so I wanted some smaller ones that collapse. You know, these are a little bit better for doing smaller type jobs. But well, let me go ahead and collapse them. I'll show you. See how they. Well, let's go this way. You see how they stack? That's cool. They don't stick together. Oops, sorry about that. They don't stick together or nothing, but you know, you can stack them up and they take up very little room. Okay, but you know, like I said, these was $27 on Amazon. But then when I was in Lowe's getting that bag, I found these. Yeah, it kind of pissed me off. These are the same size. Hold on, let me get these opened up and I'll show you. Let's see, do they have a part number? Dang, it even says them things have a full lifetime warranty. Imagine that. Craftsman. I don't see no part number though. Flip it over to the back. Oh wait, maybe this is the part number. Come on, get it in there. Can you see that? Let's flip it over. And this says they're made in China. Right there. Which is about typical for Craftsman or just about all tool companies nowadays. Heck, even these ezreds, these are probably made in China too. If you want to know the truth. Because they're identical. They just got a different name on the inside. That's the only thing different. Let me get these opened up and I'll be right back. Okay. As you can see, they are identical. And they may be a little bit different color red, but I don't know, maybe. But they're identical other than the name on the inside. This one says Craftsman, the other one says ezred. You know. Let's see, let's compare them. Yeah, they're identical. And the thing I was mad about, those three on Amazon, like I said, ezred, these are Craftsman. Probably the same, made by the same place, or the same company. Those three was 27 bucks. These, I know, I can count. There's three, this is only two. But that was only 9 bucks, $9.99 I think it was, or $9.98. So $10. Okay? Think about that for a second. $10. You get 2 of these, 2 packs for 20 bucks, and you have 4 trays. $7 cheaper than those, and you only get 3. So that's why I was a little upset. If I would have known that, I would have just got 2 packs of these for 20 bucks. I mean, I like Craftsman. I have Craftsman tools. I don't really care if it says Craftsman in there or ezred. What does that matter? You know? But whatever, I may go back to Lowe's and get some more of these, just because they're only 9 bucks for 2 of them. That's pretty good. I like them. And of course, everybody's used them. I've used them. I haven't used these, but I've used this style before. Anyway, whatever. Now, next, we have an Astro. Let's see. Let me hold this up a little bit where you can see it. With no glare, maybe. 1822 half-inch nano impact wrench. 450 foot-pounds. And, you know, of course, 1822 is the part number. Warranty card and all that stuff. Let's get it out of here. Let's set this over to the side. Make sure they didn't send me no fitting. And of course they didn't. Why would they do that? That would make too much sense, right? Alright. Now, I've seen a bunch of different people use these. Mainly Eric O, South Main Auto. That's a great channel. Everybody ought to go check that channel out. I'm sure everybody that's watching my channel watches his. One of these days I might be up to the level of his channel. But anyway. Pretty awesome. Can't wait to get the new air fitting in there and put these jokers to use. Hold on just a second. I'm gonna grab regular impacts and let's compare the sizes. Hold on. Okay, as you can see, there's my Ingersoll Rand 2135 Ti. That stands for titanium. Now that Ingersoll Rand impact right there is awesome. I'm sure everybody has seen these, that I have these. They're in my toolbox tour. If you haven't seen it, I'll try to put a card to it, to my Matco toolbox tour. Anyway, that has been awesome. Let's see. Let's prop that up. You see that? God darn it. And just to show you that I ain't fibbing anybody. I've been using this size for a long time. Wakes these up like you wouldn't believe. Anyway, look at this. I know this impact don't have the power that that one has. That one will has no problem breaking crank bolts loose. I know a lot of people have a problem with that, but I've never had a problem, even on Hondas. And they make the shop I worked at had them, but they make big thick weighted sockets for that. You put that socket on that impact and you can break them loose every time. But anyway, we're not talking about that. We're talking about this impact. Look how freaking small that is. If this thing will quit turning on me. Look at that. It's about the same length this way, but look how small it is though up there where it counts. This will get into a lot more places that won't. Let's see, will they stand up? My luck, they won't. Here they go. You see the difference in that? I mean, that's amazing. For this to have that much power and be that small, that's unbelievable. And like I said, of course, this is made by Astro. I think I said that. Let's see. Look at there. Autobahn Dan. Anyway, Astro. Of course, everybody probably already knew that. See? Awesome. Now let's get the other one open. Show you it. All right, here it is. This is the 3/8. $18.28. The 1/2 inch was, what was it? $18.22. In case anybody's wanting to know that. My 3/8 Ingersoll Rand 2115 Ti, where the 1/2 inch was 2135. As you can see, they've been used and a little bit abused. But look at that. Even the 3/8. Look how much smaller that is. I mean, that is awesome. Pretty much the 3/8 Astro guns, or the Astro gun, is the same size as the 1/2 inch. The only thing different is the anvil. One's 3/8, one's 1/2 inch. Other than that, it's pretty much the same gun. Same foot-pounds and everything. This is 450 foot-pounds too. So that's the only thing they changed, was just the anvil inside. But I mean, so in other words, that 1/2 inch impact is actually smaller than this 3/8 Ingersoll Rand, which, you know, that's great. These are going to come in handy. I have had times where these would not fit, especially, or not that one, but the Ingersoll Rands, especially that big 1/2 inch. Sometimes it won't fit. But now, like I said, this Ingersoll Rand, even though it's 3/8, it does have more power than this Astro. That little gun right there will surprise you. It'll break stuff if you ain't careful. Well, of course that big one will too, but usually you're on like lug nuts and suspension bolts and stuff like that, and they're big. And you can use the 3/8 on small stuff, and if you ain't careful, it'll break them. But anyway, that's my little tool haul here. There you go. Can't wait to get to use these things. These are awesome. Anyway, like always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.